Indonesian fried rice ba ang hanap po ninyo mga kapatid? Nako, samahan po ang ating Eat Girls sa Parañaque para tikman ang kanilang patok na nasi goreng. Salamat pagi, Maui! Wow, may luto-luto ka pa dyan.
Good morning! Yes, eto na. Excited ako because today, nandito tayo sa Bali Bones dito sa Parañaque. Talagang dinayo natin to kasi balita ko, sobrang sarap na kanilang mga Indonesian food. And for the record, first time natin mag-feature sa On The Go ng Indonesian food. Kaya I'm so excited for this morning. Kaya pag-usapan na po natin ang kanilang masasarap na dishes dito. Tawagin po natin si Miss Princess and si Sir Satesh. Hi! Good morning! Good morning! Ito na, mga kapatid, ito pong ginagawa natin ngayon. Actually, specialty to ni Miss Princess. Ito po ay
Nasi goreng.
nasi goreng. Okay, pag sinabing nasi goreng, para sa mga kapatid natin na hindi pa familiar sa Indonesian dishes, ano po ang nasi goreng?
Ang nasi goreng is a Indonesian cuisine. And then we made garlic, onion, and some spice together with the spring onions and some of the spices.
Okay, so this is fried rice.
Yes.
Na meron siyang kahalong, may pork ba to?
Meron kang choices pork and chicken. Then for the vegetarian people, we can add some veggie meat on it.
Oh, pwede. May
Yes.
ganung option.
Yes.
Indonesian food is known to be very rich also in flavor. Tama ba? Very flavorful ang Indonesian food. Kwentuhan nyo kami, paano kayo nag-start ng ganitong business? Kasi dito lang to sa bahay, di ba, Sir
Yes,
Satesh?
just at home. So basically, we went to Bali. We took a trip,
Oo.
and then she fell in love with the food. And then we came back. We started serving to friends, family,
Yes.
and then nearby community. And then they suggested why not turn it into a business.
Oo nga.
So I said, okay. you're
Okay,
good at
and here
it.
you are.
Then here we are.
Oo, kasi
finally.
usually
Yeah.
yun doon nagsa-start eh. Ang
Yes.
testing nyo is yung family, friends, and
Family,
then pag
friends,
nagawa,
yes.
tutuloy nyo na, ibibusiness nyo na.
Correct,
Okay,
yes.
ma'am, Miss Princess, tara, ilagay na po natin to kasi baka masunog
Okay,
siya.
sige po.
So, eto po, itong ginagawa naman natin dito sa part na to ay
The
Chicken
geprek. Geprek.
Okay, so
Then
paano?
on top of
on
this.
top.
Yeah.
Okay, so ito, chicken yung nasa ilalim.
Right.
Lalahatin natin
Yes
ito.
po.
So, grabe, puro gulay to, no? Ang galing
Very
na talagang,
healthy.
meron din kayong fascination for Indonesian food. Kasi talagang lahat, inano nyo, inaral nyo.
Yes po.
How was it yung experience of from scratch nyo siya talaga inaral na iba-ibang?
Actually, it's really hard on the beginning.
Oo.
But when the people like it, syempre, I enjoy
Parang
it.
lalo ka nang nainganyo.
Motivated.
Yes. Okay, so ito
Especially
na.
when you compliment her with the food.
Oo nga eh. So ito na ang ating nasi goreng. Actually, meron ding noodles version nito, di ba?
Yes.
Anong tawag sa noodles
Mi
version?
goreng.
Mi goreng naman. Yun yung minsan nakikita ko sa grocery. Binibili ko rin yun. Masarap yun. Okay, we are ready. Tara, lipat po tayo sa inyong kainan sa dining table here, ma'am. Miss Princess, ayan na, mga kapatid. Excited ako kasi first time again natin itong ipi-feature ang Indonesian food. Okay, so dito, meron pang ibang naka-ready at nakahain para sa atin. Uy, halos lahat bago sa paningin ko, nakakatuwa. Kasi, Indonesian food, di ba? Syempre, hindi naman to sobrang common. Pero pag natikman mo to, mai-inlove ka talaga. Like you, Miss Princess, di ba na-inlove kayo? Natutuwa ako, ang nakalagay dito sa Bali Boss, from Bali to your belly. So, parang ibig sabihin nun, you don't need to go to Bali to get a taste of Bali. Okay, I'm so excited. Maliban pa sa ating, what's this? Nasi goreng. Meron pa tayong,
beef rendang.
okay, beef rendang. Ang beef rendang ay, syempre, beef, pero ano to, maanghang-anghang.
Yes po.
Okay, and then?
Then meron tayong chicken satay, pork satay, and chocolate satay.
Ooh, okay. Tapos, ito po.
And then meron din tayong egg balado.
Egg balado. Wait, first time ko narinig yan. Ano pong meron sa egg balado? Egg and anong toppings?
So that was the topping. Sorry.
The topping is made in tomato and rich of onion
Tomato
and garlic.
Okay, tas ito naman po.
This one is martabak. So it's flour tortilla. And we put egg. And then cover it and cut it.
Okay. Oh, wow. Very interesting. Okay, magsa-start na akong tumikim. Dito tayo magsa-start sa bagong luto nating nasi goreng. Okay. Ito, pwede siyang kainin on its own. Dito
Yes.
tayo ko muna mag-isa, ha? Oh, wow.
You can also put the peanut sauce.
Peanut
Peanut
sauce?
sauce and
Ah,
we have
pwede.
the sambal terasi.
Okay, I'll try the
It's a
peanut
little-
sauce.
It's a little spicy, so
Okay, dito ako sa peanut
sambal
sauce.
terasi.
May ay, ang daming options! Ang daming sauce para sa lahat ng klaseng lasa na gusto mo. Okay, yung lasa niya, ang sarap, ano siya, kumbaga, malasa. Hindi ko ma-explain, pero malasa siya. Pwede na siya on its own. Kahit walang
Yeah,
kulang, sobrang
that's
perfect
fine.
siya.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
because you already have meat, you have chicken, you have pork.
Yes, tama.
Yeah,
Nakamix na.
yeah.
Okay, try naman natin to. Ito yung
Okay, this was the chicken satay.
chicken satay.
Yeah.
Kumbaga parang barbecue siya.
Yeah,
Okay,
exactly.
try natin.
But Maui, let me tell you how to enhance the flavor.
Okay.
Please sprinkle
Sarap!
lemon on top of that.
Lemon on top.
Yeah. You put it on the plate, sprinkle it over it.
Ang dami natin natututunan, mga kapatid. Paano properly eat it. How to
And then
properly
let's
eat
put
it.
this on top.
May peanut sauce pa. So, imagine niyo lemon and peanut sauce magsasamahin.
Okay, then
Okay, meron pa! Oh, maraming toppings, maraming sauce. Feeling ko may...
Let's put the sweet sauce.
Ito yung sweet
This is
sauce.
sweet sauce.
Okay,
There
oh
you go.
my gosh. Parang,
Ketchup manis. It's called
Okay.
ketchup manis, yeah.
okay, parang feeling ko magkaka-party na sa bibig ko at this point.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, ay, ang lambot naman.
Now your taste is gonna
Sobrang
have a
lambot
party.
ng chicken satay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my God.
That's much better.
Ang dami, hindi ko ma-explain, pero...
I have that every day.
Yes, swerte!
Yeah, I have it every
Miss
day.
Princess, pwede
My
mo
wife
pa
is
so.
at home, so,
Oh,
yeah.
okay, sobrang sarap!
I'm lucky. Yeah.
You're very lucky. Mga kapatid, napakasarap po pala. Mga Indonesian food, punong-puno ng flavors. May maasim, may sweet, may peanut butter taste. Napakasarap. Ma'am, I'm so excited. Pero pagdating lang natin, Sir Satesh, na this is actually your house.
Yes.
So, ito yung parang pinaka-cloud kitchen nila. So, kung kayo po gusto nyo matay ang kanilang food, o-order po kayo and then ipapadeliver nila.
Sure, they will deliver.
Ayan. Okay. Sir Satesh, yung mga kapatid natin na gusto nang makatry, excited na makatikim ng Indonesian food, saan kayo mahanap at paano?
Of course, you can get in touch with us through my mobile number, 0917-583-0321. And we're also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Bali Bowls PH.
Okay,
Yes.
Bali Bowls
Yes.
PH on Instagram and
And
Facebook.
Facebook, yes.
And again, this is from Parañaque, mga
From
kapatid.
Parañaque.
So how early do they have to order po, sir? Para
You can even
Anong lead
place your
time?
order at 8:30. We open our kitchen at 9, from 9 to 9 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alam mo, sobrang sarap kasi di ba tayo mga Pinoy, sanay tayo Filipino food. Ito, kung gusto
Yes.
nyong magkaroon ng something
Something
different, na I guarantee you, ito i-rate ko talaga to ng sobrang taas. Napakasarap. Miss Princess, thank you so much. Asan ba yung rate card ko? Alam mo kung pwede ko i-rate to, 5 lang to eh. Pero first, gumawa ka na ng 10 stars ha. I'm not joking. Sobrang sarap ng Bali Balls, mga kapatid. Again, something different. Talagang na-enjoy ko yan. Walang ganyan sa Filipino food, di ba?
Yes.
Ayan, mga kapatid. Thank you so much, Sir
You're welcome.
Satesh,
Thank
Miss
you.
Princess.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Again, Bali Balls, all the way dito sa Parañaque, pero pwede magpa-deliver. Oh, Mama Dims, back to the studio. Uubusin ko talaga lahat.
Uy, ang sarap-sarap naman yan. Baka malapit sa akin yan, Bali Balls. Very makasimaw.
Mga kapatid, Maui David po. Para laging updated sa viral food spots at unique destinations, mag-follow at subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.